I work as a chief technologist at a pharmaceutical plant in Kaluga. 6 months ago, the management of our company included in the production development plan the development of a new product, cold and flu medications in capsules. To organize the process, it was necessary to purchase equipment and obtain documents for product certification. According to the requirements of drug certification bodies, we must produce a trial batch of the product and make laboratory tests of cold and flu capsules. In pharmaceutical production, it is important to control the quality of raw materials and finished medicines. This requires analytical equipment, which we also decided to buy for the tablet packing area. We did not have the equipment for polishing and removing dust from the surface of the capsules, which is used in the production of tablets, to give a smooth surface to the drug. In the process of manufacturing the tablets, and their subsequent transfer from the matrix to the storage container, the tablets come into contact with the powder residue. As a result, a dusty film is formed on the surface of the tablet. This dust makes it difficult for the blistering and sealing machine to operate, and the dusty tablets are difficult to coat. A colleague from another plant recommended that I purchase a compact unit for polishing and removing dust from the surface of tablets. The first thing I did was to contact the equipment supplier, with whom we had been working for many years. The quality and performance of our offered equipment suited us, so we decided to consider this manufacturer. I got the phone number of the company's sales department, and I contacted the manager. The specialist who spoke to me told me that this equipment is out of stock. I was looking for a machine that was as efficient as possible, safe for the worker, made of durable material. The machine should be compact in overall dimensions, and easy to operate. I started my search for equipment for polishing and removing dust from the surface of tablets with the confidence that I would find the necessary equipment immediately. I decided to look and compare manufacturers of machines in Europe and China. I did my search through the internet. I chose according to geographic location, delivery terms, price category. Among the quality European manufacturers, I found 3 companies, which offered good machines, but requested a very high price, which did not include the customs clearance procedure. I understood that the management would not approve the chosen options, because of the high cost, and would send me to search again. I then searched for equipment for polishing and dusting the surface of tablets from Chinese manufacturers. There were more options here. I sent emails to them indicating which machine I was considering as an option to 4 equipment companies in China. However, only 2 responded to me. One company indicated that such equipment would not be produced for 6 months, and the other sent a response in Chinese. The period of 6 months didn't satisfy me. It was too long, and none of our staff can speak Chinese. I made my choice by looking at the company's websites. The length of their work in the market for supplying pharmaceutical equipment, positive customer feedback, and the relevance of their prices were of great importance. At first I called the Chinese intermediary. His presented price for the machine was lower than the others. I received a response from the manager, who specified that the price did not include customs clearance, delivery and installation of equipment. The total amount of the order was much higher than what was shown on the site. I was not satisfied. Then I investigated more attentively the website of the company from Krasnodar. I looked at the prices and delivery terms, but I was alerted by the fact that this company is also engaged in the delivery of shoes and crockery from China. I wanted to find a specialist, in whom I would be confident, who would supply me with equipment for polishing and dusting of tableware in the specified time. I decided to look at the last option of a middleman from Moscow. In advance I checked the company in the database of entrepreneurs in Russia for litigation for the period of activity. This company did not appear in these lists. I liked the company's website. It was modern, structured, and had a lot of videos. I contacted the manager of the company and got a good advice on possible options for machines to dedust pellets. The company specialist suggested a dedusting machine with a metal detector that can detect foreign metal attachments in pills. The specialist told me about the capabilities of the machine, sent me an email clip, and cited the experience of past customers. I liked his businesslike and professional approach. The cleaned tablets are collected in a transparent glass, built into the metal detector. All equipment is automated and has simple push-button controls. We were pleased with the pellet deduster recommended and supplied by a specialist from a company in Moscow. I plan to apply to the manager of this company for advice and purchase of other equipment for the organization of production of pills for colds and flu, and I am confident that he will pick up high-quality equipment. Experience has shown that no matter how confident you are in your abilities, consulting a specialist will speed up the solution of the problem and free up time that can be spent with the benefit of yourself.